And then my final technological advance is robotics. Now, you see those two sparring astronomers, Sandage and Jim Gunn, were measuring galaxies one by one. And, you know, sometimes with photography, they were taking 2-night exposures. They would start the exposure on a Monday night, and then at the end of the night, they'd put the shutter back in, and then they'd come back on Tuesday night, they open the shutter and carry on. And so, you know, it was really hard work. And the number of galaxies that they could do was very limited because they were doing them one at a time. But in the field of view of the telescope, there are many galaxies. And so if you can use optical fibers, like it's a sort of plumbing, really, then the light from all of these individual galaxies can be collected and fed into an instrument that measures them all at the same time. And so we championed this originally in Australia. This is a sort of manual version where we're plugging the fibers into a brass plate. With the holes in this brass plate are drilled at the positions of all the galaxies in the field of view. So I don't know if you can see, but I've got a pen and pencil here, and every fiber has a number, and every hole has a number, and I'm writing down which fiber number goes in which hole. And heaven forbid if you lose that piece of paper, because then you won't know what object is which, okay? And eventually we decided to automate this process.